My name is Gilbert Valdisuso, and we're here at Central Trailers in Broken Arrow, Oklahoma. So a little bit about the backdrop here of Central Trailers. I came out of the smartphone business, so I was actually selling smartphones throughout Latin America, and I worked for companies such as Nokia, Motorola, Samsung, Nintendo. And after a long period of time doing that kind of work, which was phenomenal, I worked also, just like y'all, with dealer distribution. I had dealers and felt very comfortable doing that, help people to make a living off of the various products from the companies I worked at. And like anything, you get kind of tired of doing what you're doing, and I wanted to exit corporate. So I started looking for opportunities, and I found I'd always owned trailers for jet skis, motorcycles, and boats, but I had never been in the trailer business per se. And I was on the interweb looking up businesses, and I found this location, Central Trailers, and it had already been sold. And I was like, well, if anything changes, let me know. So about a month and a half later, I got a call, and the rest is history.
My name is Tom Wood. I started had Central Motors, which was a car lot across the road, and then at one point my son says, "Hey Dad, I think we could sell some trailers." So we got small loader trailers, sold those, got some more and sold those. It seemed to be good, so we ended up getting a piece of property this piece of property here across the street from where we were at, and started selling trailers, and it just went forth from there. And I got out of the car business and went trailers completely, and enjoyed it. Actually enjoyed it a lot. A lot of good people. I enjoy dealing with people. I like people, and so we did that for I think about 21, 22 years. And then Mr. Gilbert comes up and decided he would like to be in the trailer business. And Gilbert come up and visited, and we talked, and everything went great, really, and in a very quick transaction, wasn't it? But and then I helped him a little. He always says I didn't help him long enough, but you know, I would think 3 years would be enough for him to, get. But anyhow, that's pretty much it. Just and Gilbert's done a great job.
For me, it was amazing to come up here and get to meet Tom, immerse myself in a completely different culture, and get to know the folks of the Midwest. Awesome. And we've remained friends and buddies. We started rebuilding the business again and just kind of tweaking it, taking something which was already a phenomenal platform of almost 30 years of existence, and then basically expanding it from there and making it a little bit better and tweaking out some of the opportunities that we saw to do things different, and as the market was changing, to just kind of align with the market.